What if I told you there is a business where you never have to convince a customer to buy your service? A business where the government literally forces companies to hire you every single year, or else they get shut down. Welcome to Passive Peak. Today, we are uncovering one of the most hidden, recession-proof B2B gold mines in the world, the Fire Extinguisher Inspection Service. Every single commercial building, restaurant, office, and warehouse in the country is legally mandated to have fire extinguishers, and by law, they must pay a certified professional to inspect and tag them annually. It is the ultimate recurring revenue machine. In this video, I will show you how this forced continuity business works, how to get certified, the incredibly cheap tools you need, and the exact math to make over $1,000 a day just by punching holes in a piece of paper. Let's get started. In most businesses, your biggest challenge is marketing. In this industry, the fire marshal and local fire codes do it for you. If a business owner fails an inspection because of expired tags, they face massive fines or get shut down. They are terrified of this. When you walk in, they view you as a savior, keeping them legally compliant. Once you land a client, they are locked in with you for life. To start this inspection route, your overhead is almost zero. All you need is a portable digital scale, a hole puncher, some tamper-proof seals, a rag, and your custom inspection tags. The actual work is incredibly simple. You check the pressure gauge, weigh the cylinder, wipe it down, and punch the current month and year on the tag. To do this legally, you just need to pass a state or local certification exam. You charge a flat $50 service call fee just for showing up, plus $10 per extinguisher. A warehouse with 20 extinguishers equals a $250 job. Weighing and tagging 20 units takes only about 30 to 45 minutes. If you hit just 5 commercial buildings in a single day, you are making $1,250 for a few hours of very light, clean work. Getting clients is almost too easy with the tag check strategy. Just walk into any local restaurant or retail store and glance at their fire extinguisher. If the tag is expired, politely tell the manager, "Your extinguishers are out of compliance. I can get you legally compliant right now in 10 minutes. It's an instant yes. One property manager can give you 1,000 units to inspect. The Fire Extinguisher Inspection Service is the definition of a hidden B2B gold mine. High margins, low physical stress, and forced recurring revenue. It is the perfect scalable side hustle that can quickly become a million-dollar agency. Are you ready to get certified and secure the bag? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If this blueprint opened your eyes to real B2B wealth, smash that like button and make sure to subscribe to Passive Peak for more high-profit, recession-proof business models. Stay sharp, and I will see you in the next video.